This is Krish. Welcome to channel PVSK Education, PVSK Entertainment, PVSK Cooking and PVSK Experiment. Please give your valuable subscribe and like to our channels. Today we are going to see how to create internet gateway in AWS console. So very easy. We already explained about this, how to log in AWS console. So go to the VPC, type in search here VPC, so we log in with credentials. So and also check every time, you should check with which region we are in. So it's very important. So we should go to the VPC, then click on that VPC. So VPC, when you type here, it shows the VPC where dashboard, it's open. And first of all, you should create VPC. You know that go to your VPCs. So default VPC we have, because the default region gives one default VPC, so it's not useful to us. We should create as per client requirement and IP address range. So that's why we should give custom VPC. So that's why you should create custom VPC, create VPC. So VPC name PVSK edu, VPC name and CLDR block 10.0.0. More time we explained about this. 24 here, 24 means 26 here. So 26 means here 2 power 32 minus 26, 2 power 6 means 64, means 63 IP addresses we can create. So Internet Protocol version 6 up to now not used. So tenancy is default. If you click on here dedicated tenancy, means when you click on that, so it's only used for dedicated instances. So when you click on default, it's useful for shared, dedicated and dedicated host for everything. So that's why create VPC is very simple. We created now new VPC. We are now, and also go to the subnets. You should create subnet. VPC is virtual network for AWS. Subnet is nothing but it's a security for VPC. We already say ACL, default ACL in it. ACL means access control list. It's a security layer and a firewall. It's a act as a firewall to protect the VPC instances. So here you can create for every availability zone at least 2 public and private. So that's why we can give one. So PVSK pub is a public. So and create the custom VPC and availability zone US East 1A. Availability zone means used for low latency purpose. Low latency is nothing but when you enter that www.amazon.com, so it shows very quickly that website is appeared. It's a low latency, otherwise it's a high latency. So for low latency, availability zones are maintained, mainly purpose for low latency. So then 10.0.0.0 28, when you give that, one subnet is created, public subnet is created, and again go to that. So again PVSK PRI private subnet, same VPC, same availability zone, not change. So 10.10 up to now 15 are useful. So that's why 28, 16 is started from 16. So 28, then create second subnet and third subnet, again PVSK. So pub1 for identification purpose, naming convention. So then here change the subnet availability zone, use it 1B. So here 10.0.0.32, so by 28. So when you give this, so third subnet also created and fourth subnet. So here PVSK PRI1 and here same and availability zone 1B and 10.0 0.4828. So when you give this, so 4 subnets are created up to now. So 4 subnets are created. So then go to the route table. Route table nothing but is used for routers and switches. It's a set of rules. It's control subnet traffic. Here it's also estimate the packet. We know that the data transfer through packets in internet. So there's a determine the packet transformation here by route table. So defaultly we have one route table. So click give this. So defaultly we have one route table. So that is come from this route table come from region. And also one other, when you create VPC, so it gives one route table, default route table. This route table is come from RB 1B 1D. This route table come from region. It's not useful. So this we created VPC. That VPC PVSK EDU. We have that VPC. That VPC gives this route table through VPC, custom VPC. So that's why, so for every VPC one route table automatically created. So we have already default VPC, it gives default route table, it's not useful for us. So you can change with custom VPC route table. So RT, so enter that. So I want to create private route table also, PRI RT. When you give this private route table, same VPC, our custom VPC name, select. So route table is private route table is also created. So now edit the subnet association options to attach the subnets. So this is public RT, means we can add public subnets. So here easily identified with naming convention. That's why pub means pub1. Pub is a public subnet association. When you give this explicit subnet associate, when it shows the public subnets, and go to the private subnets, do like the same. Click here, and here when you give this, it shows up private subnets. So here when you click that, save. So after that it shows like that, private subnets. Then go to the internet gateway, it's the main thing. So it's also default IGW. So it's the internet gateway. So this internet gateway is used for mainly high level VPC component. So it's treated as, and also it's communication between instances which is in VPC and internet. So which is allocated instances in VPC. For that internet purpose, internet gateway is very useful to communicate, and also internet gateway allow the communication between one network to another network is the main thing here. So so here that's the main thing. So then I want to create one internet gateway. Of course we have one internet gateway already. So I want to create custom internet gateway. So here, so click on create internet gateway. So PVSK IGW internet gateway. So when create that default internet gateway, so it's very simple. And again go to attach to our VPC, custom VPC. You should attach to our VPC. So our VPC name, we know PVSK education, and attach that. It's very simple. Actions, attach, very simple, attach VPC. So like this we can create internet gateway. And also it's changed in go to the route tables, and which route table you want to internet. So public, we can't use private internet because it's used for security purpose. So that's why go to the public subnets, I mean sub public route table, go to the routes and add route rules. So add routes here. So 0 dot full, here you give full permissions, I mean here full traffic to, here shows which you want. So I want internet gateway, so only one internet gateway, so save that. So like this we can attach internet gateway to route table. So thank you. Please give your subscribe, always subscribe to PVSK Education, PVSK Entertainment, PVSK Cooking and PVSK Experiment. Thank you very much.